Okay, so you are learning Chinese, listening to lots of content, different people talking, do some words that you don't know keep popping up over and over again. I bet that could well be a 起来 verb. So let's look at this essential group of words now. The reason why you hear this over and over again is because we use many different verbs with 起来. Let's kick off with the 5 sense verbs. Why? Because I think they are the most common and useful verbs to start with. Look at our lovely avatar 小西卡. How do you say hear, 听, see, 看, smell, 闻, taste, 吃, feel, 摸. Let's add 起来 after each of them. Now you get 听起来. For example,
你听过英国的苹果吗？这听起来很耳熟。
看起来，
你看起来很漂亮。
闻起来，
这味道闻起来怪怪的。
吃起来，
吃起来有点苦苦的。
By the way, we don't really say 这吃起来很好吃. It's like in English you say it's tasty instead of it tastes tasty. 摸起来，
这摸起来很舒服诶。
Now you might wonder how to say it smells like, it looks like, and so on. It's easy, just add 像 after 起来. For example, 他看起来像 Charlie Brown. This is a great structure to use if you are beginner or lower intermediate because it's used the same in English and there's no weird Chinese style word order. I hope you liked today's video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to our Apple, and to watch more English Apple's video, click here.